Welcome back, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the incredible benefits of incorporating beetroot juice into your daily routine. Get ready to discover why this vibrant elixir is a powerhouse of healing and vitality. 1. Heart health. First up, beetroot juice is a champion for heart health. Packed with nitrates, it helps dilate blood vessels, improving blood flow and lowering blood pressure. By supporting healthy circulation, it reduces the risk of heart disease and strokes. 2. Enhanced exercise performance. Need an extra boost during your workouts? Beetroot juice is here to help. Its nitrate content improves oxygen delivery to muscles, increasing stamina and reducing fatigue. Cheers to smashing your fitness goals. 3. Improved brain function. Who doesn't want a sharper mind? Beetroot juice contains betaine, which enhances cognitive function and may help prevent age-related decline. Sip on this brain-boosting elixir for mental clarity. 4. Detoxification. In today's world, we're constantly bombarded by toxins. Thankfully, beetroot juice acts as a natural detoxifier, helping to purify the blood and liver. Its betalain pigments aid in the elimination of harmful substances, leaving you feeling refreshed and revitalized from the inside out. 5. Glowing skin. Who doesn't want radiant, glowing skin? Beetroot juice is brimming with antioxidants and vitamins that promote skin health and combat signs of aging. Incorporating this vibrant elixir into your daily routine can help you achieve that coveted youthful glow. 6. Immune support. A robust immune system is your body's first line of defense against illness and infection. With its abundance of vitamin C, beetroot juice helps bolster immune function, keeping you strong and resilient year-round. Drink up to stay healthy and vibrant. 7. Digestive health. Good digestion is the cornerstone of overall well-being. Beetroot juice contains dietary fiber, which supports digestive health by promoting regularity and preventing constipation. Additionally, its natural enzymes aid in the breakdown and absorption of nutrients, ensuring optimal nutrient uptake. 8. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to a host of health issues, including heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. Beetroot juice boasts powerful anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to its betalain content. Incorporating this healing elixir into your diet can help reduce inflammation and promote overall wellness. 9. Blood sugar regulation. Stabilizing blood sugar levels is crucial for maintaining energy levels and preventing chronic diseases like diabetes. Beetroot juice contains compounds that help regulate blood sugar, making it a valuable addition to a balanced diet for individuals managing diabetes or prediabetes. 10. Eye health. Your eyesight is precious, so it's essential to nourish your peepers with the right nutrients. Beetroot juice is rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that support eye health and protect against age-related macular degeneration. Keep your vision clear and sharp with a daily dose of beetroot juice.